Hello, students. Welcome to this podcast on the chapter Pollution of Air and Water, Episode 1. Air and water are two of the most important natural resources. Human activities such as industrial growth, urbanization, increasing population, and rapid changes in the modern technology are largely responsible for contamination of air and water. In this chapter, we will study about the harmful changes taking place in our surroundings due to the pollution of air and water and their effects on our lives. Air pollution. The contamination of air with harmful, unwanted substances like toxic gases, smoke, and dust, etc., which have harmful effects on both living and non living objects, is called air pollution. The harmful and unwanted substances which contaminate the air and cause air pollution are called air pollutants. For example, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, excess of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, smoke, dust, chlorofluorocarbons, etc. Let us now study the harmful effects of air pollution. Harmful effects of air pollution on health. Carbon monoxide is a very poisonous gas. It is produced by incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. When inhaled in excess, it can kill a person without warning as it is a colorless and odorless gas. Hemoglobin combines with carbon monoxide to form carboxyhemoglobin, which loses its capacity to carry oxygen. Oxides of sulfur cause respiratory problems and damage lungs. Oxides of nitrogen cause lung congestion. Particles of dust in air can cause bronchitis. In winters, smoke combines with fog to form smog, which causes breathing difficulties such as asthma, cough, and wheezing in children. Air pollution can cause acid rain. Burning of fossil fuels like coal, petrol, or diesel produces carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, and unburnt hydrocarbons. All oxides escape into the atmosphere. The oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen react with the water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Both of these are strong acids. If the rain drops down with these acids, it makes the rain acidic. Damaging effects of acid rain. Acid rain increases the acidity of soil and thus affects the plant and animal life living in it. It leads to the loss of soil fertility. Acid rain makes the water of lakes and rivers acidic, leading to destruction of aquatic plants and animals. Acid rain destroys monuments and buildings. Acid rain promotes corrosion of metallic objects like railway bridges, etc. Air pollution causes global warming. Carbon dioxide released by burning of fuels is not a poisonous gas, but excess of carbon dioxide released by burning excess of fossil fuels increases the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This increases the greenhouse effect. This leads to the increase in the average temperature of the earth, which is called as global warming. So global warming is the rise in average temperature of the atmosphere of the earth due to the increase in greenhouse effect. Air pollution causes depletion of ozone layer. Ozone gas forms a layer in the upper part of the atmosphere. This ozone layer prevents harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun to enter our earth. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, which are used in refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays, when released in air, damage the ozone layer of the atmosphere. Harmful ultraviolet radiations reaching the earth cause various diseases in human beings, such as skin cancer, cataract, etc. I hope after going through this podcast, you have been sensitized about the effects of air pollution and will now take steps to control it. Thank you.